Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can update your iCloud backup. So if you want to back up again because you want to back up all the new things which is on your iPhone now, then you need to do this. Go inside your setting, and from inside your setting at the top it's going to show you your iPhone name. Click on that. Mine is Jake Knowledge, but yours is going to be different. Click on it. Once you're over here, you can see this option called iCloud. Click on iCloud. Once you're inside iCloud, at the bottom you can see this option called iCloud Backup. Click on iCloud Backup, and then over here you can see this button called Backup Now. Click on Backup Now and click on Continue. Once you do that, it's going to show you backing up. Every single thing that is on the device is going to be backed up on iCloud. When I say everything, not everything, the things which you have turned on are only going to be backed up, like your password, your photos, your music, your books, things like that, alright? And if your iCloud is full, then it's not going to be backed up, because as you guys can see, my iCloud is pretty much full. 5 GB of 5 GB is used. So if I want to back up something new, it's not going to work. So if you have this issue, the only thing you can do is, one, you can buy extra storage for your iCloud. You can just click on Manage Account Storage, and you can pay around $0.99 over here per month to buy extra storage. But if you don't want to do that, then you need to delete whatever is being currently stored on your iCloud. And we have made a video on how to delete your iCloud backup. You can watch that to know how to delete your iCloud backup, because if your storage is already full, then it's not going to be backed up. Alright, so hope you understand on how we guys can update your iCloud backup. Hit the subscribe to our channel, How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.